For this question, given the complex number z1 equals to negative I, z2 equals to 2 plus I sub 3. For the question A, express z1 square and conjugate of z2 in the form of standard form. So for question A, z1 square will be equal to negative I square. So negative will become positive. So it will become I square only. I square is equivalent to negative 1. So meanwhile, for conjugate of z2, it will be conjugate of 2 plus sub 3i. So it will become 2 minus sub 3i. Then for question B, from the part A, find W equals to Z1 square plus conjugate of Z2 over Z1. Hence, find its modulus and its argument. So, we have to use the answer from part A, where Z1 square is negative 1. So, W equals to negative 1 plus the conjugate of Z2, which is 2 minus 3i over Z1, which is negative 1. Z1, which is negative I. So notice here, we have a division of complex number. So in order to simplify it, we have to time with its conjugate. So the conjugate of negative I, it will be I. So therefore, at the denominator part will be a square, which is 0, b square, which is negative 1 square, so which is 1. For numerator, negative 1 plus 2 is 1 times I, and then minus 3 I square. So when we multiply it, it becomes I square. So I square is stand for negative 1 equal to negative 1. So it will become positive 3 plus I over 1. So finally, this standard form will be 3 plus I. Then we are going to find its modulus. So for modulus W, it will be square root of a square, which is square root 3, plus b square, which is 1. So the answer is 2. Meanwhile, for argument, so we have to do it step by step. For the first step, we have to know where is the Argand diagram, where's the complex number located. With sub 3 is positive real number, complex number is 1. So this complex number will be at quadrant 1. Then we follow by second step, we find the basic angle, which is shift tangent B, which is 1 over A sub 3. So this will give us pi over 6. Lastly, argument of W, which is theta. Theta in first quadrant will equals to alpha. So the answer will be equals to pi over 6. Argument theta equals to alpha. So pi over 6. So from here, what is important? For the first part, simplify to get negative 1. Then this conjugate, also a basic. When we move to question B, when we have division of negative I, so we have to multiply with its conjugate. Then we simplify. Substitute our I squared equals to negative 1 to get this standard form. Then we find its modulus and answer. Finally, we find its argument, data which is equal to alpha, then answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 marks. Then this is 2 marks.